Hey everybody, welcome back to another installment of Universe Jarvis. So this is actually going to be a real quick video. Debated about doing it, but I figured I would. I typically will show you guys when I get new bags and stuff, and actually yesterday I was on a mission to find a Konica Mini rainbow in black, and I couldn't find it, but we went to Dillards in a little fancy mall at South Park here, and I actually found a really cool little bag and an additional bag and then another bag, but we'll get into that here in a second. So I'm pretty sure everybody knows Herschel. It's a brand I actually didn't realize until yesterday that they make luggage, but they make wallets and things like that, and duffel bags, and apparently luggage that, like I said, that I just found out. And they actually have a cool collection that I guess is fairly new, and like I said, I just kind of happened upon it. So let's go ahead and jump in. So it's actually a Star Wars collection that they did. So this is the little mini bag that they have, which is pretty freaking awesome. So, as you guys can see, let me show you the tab. So, Star Wars. So this is actually the Boba Fett stuff right here, which has kind of got a cool camo. I like kind of how they did those. I don't know if you guys remember those paracord bracelets, but that's what this reminds me of. And it's got a little Star Wars tag over there. You've also got Boba Fett's little logo right there. Now, I'm not the biggest Star Wars person. This is actually the Dawson Small, so this is 13 liters. They have a bigger version of this, apparently, which is full size, but I kind of like a small little mini bag. It's got a nice little side pocket right there, which is pretty cool. It's actually got some little zipper parts in here on the bottom, which I thought that this was a hidey hole, which I guess you can use as a hidey hole, kind of like this stash pocket on a spread ground, but it actually has a little cover in it. I can pull it out, that you can use to cover and to protect the bag, which I think is pretty awesome. Now, there's that, but it's actually a little cover. You can see, it kind of reminds me of a shower cap, but you can actually cover the bag with it. So I thought that was actually pretty neat, and I guess you could still store some stuff down in here if you wanted to, but it kind of tucks back away in here, so you really wouldn't know it's there unless you actually explored and found it. And I'll get to the one complaint I did have about this bag, but I think I can kind of get over it. So it's this shape because it's got this thing inside that they used to blow it up, and the guy actually didn't remove it. I don't think he was supposed to send it home with me. So I'm going to pull this out because this is definitely affecting the shape. Oh, well, never mind. Actually, maybe this was supposed to come with it. So this actually has Herschel on it. So this says, made to fit extra small backpacks. This airbag is designed to fill Herschel Supply Company products for display purposes. Place the airbag in the correct size bag and inflate. So this actually did come from Herschel, so maybe that's why he didn't take it out. But so this actually has a lot of space. So it's really deep now that I can actually see how deep it goes. So that's the inside. So it's got a pretty cool little pattern for this, and then it's got Star Wars Herschel's label there on the inside. It's got a little pocket on the inside as well. It's fairly deep. And it's got join the dark side. So this was actually 90 bucks for this little tiny thing. So honestly, I mean, that's on par with my little Konica Mini, which is 80. So I kind of like that. The only complaint that I did have about this, so you guys hear the shoulder straps, right? So you can adjust this up like you would on any backpack. And that's as far as that'll go. So if I want to go further, I'm going to be dealing with all this weird little excess hanging off. But, you know, I'll figure it out. I really liked it. I mean, it's kind of unique. I've never really seen anything like it. I don't really have any Herschel bags, so this is probably the first one that I'll have. I kind of wanted to find a wallet to maybe kind of coordinate with this stuff. But, you know, we'll see. I don't really want to. I did find one wallet online. It was like $50, and it's not as robust, I think, as like my Coach accordion wallets to pay $45, $50 for, but we'll see. So there's that, and there's actually something else that matches it in here. So this is the, get the name here, this is the Form Large. So this is like, you can actually put this on a belt. It's got a little thing on the back there. You can, you know, wear it across your shoulder, kind of like that. And I mainly got it because it coordinated with the set, so There's that. They're coordinate with the other bag, but I doubt I'd carry both at the same time, so maybe a little bit of overkill there. And this one was $55 for this little thing. But, you know, they match perfectly. So this is actually a pretty decent size. And that's the inside. It matches, like I said, the other one. It's got the little paracord looking pulls on it. So this will be nice to, you know, just kind of, it's not as big as, like, say that. So if I want to probably bop around with this one, I can get some stuff in here. And it won't take up as much space. And it actually has a good bit of room for its size compared to some of the other things. I actually probably should do one, show you guys those Lululemon bags I got for when I take my trip to New York this summer. But that's this one. This was 50. This was 50, not 55. So looking at what, 140 bucks here for both of these. So then the last piece. Now this I kind of went back and forth, and if you guys have been watching my videos, you know I ended up getting the Color Drip spray ground set because they finally came out with another set that had a duffel bag in it, and I really wanted it because I've got, I think, what is it Sharks in Paris? I've got like the white set, and there was a duffel bag. That was a 3-piece set, so it came with the toiletry bag, then you had the duffel, and I think there was one other piece. It might have been a backpack, and I didn't get the whole thing. I only got the toiletry bag from it and was kicking myself after because it's almost impossible to find. I did find a couple on eBay, but they're international, and so I always question the authenticity of it, and then the whole customs thing that I started reading, I was like, we're not doing that. So this is the duffel bag, which this is a really, really nice duffel bag. I mean, I have to say. So there's your little shoe compartments, slide your shoes in there. And I mean, other than that, it's just basic, but I like the color. Like, it's black, it's got these stripes on it, so of course this is the dark side. This is going to be your Darth Vader. They had a fanny pack that matched this, but I'm kind of over fanny packs, so I didn't indulge in the fanny pack. Alright, so this also has got this stupid thing in here, so I'm going to probably have to let some of this air out to actually get this one out. That's pretty neat. So this is actually Herschel, made to fit duffels. Yes, I don't know if they were supposed to keep this or not. I don't really know, but it's mine now, and that's got Herschel on it too. Heck, I feel like I should have it as much as they cost. So this was $100, so this big old thing is only $10 more than this little small thing. So that goes to show you how much sense their pricing makes. So inside of this is red. It's got the little Herschel's tag there. So there's not really much to this. It's also got this little mesh little pocket. You're probably gonna have a hard time seeing. There's a little mesh pocket back here, and it's got "Welcome to the Dark Side" or "Join the Dark Side" on it, so you can stick some stuff down in there. And so now I can actually. Oh, so now the shoe thing. Oh, it actually goes all the way back. So that's the shoe thing. So this is pretty nice. I'm actually pretty happy with this. I might need to put that little thing back down inside of it though, to be honest, because now that that's not in there, it's kind of sinking down a little bit. But I like it though. I mean, I really do like it. I mean, it's a nice bag, and it's got this actually almost feels like Cordova. So really heavy weight here. So I'm really excited, and hopefully I'll be getting to use these pretty soon. You know, I keep getting bags and not going anywhere, just sitting in the house. So that's all I have for this particular video. Thank you guys for tuning in. As always, it's greatly appreciated, and thanks for the support. I will be back on with something at some point. Hopefully this week I'll have something else to share with you guys. I'm in the process of kind of working on my brand, so of course Universe Jarvis. Check me out on Instagram at Universe Jarvis on Instagram. I actually kind of separated out. I've got my personal, but then now I'm trying to get my business stuff. So I actually make jewelry and things like that. I'm a little bit of a creative. So check that out if you get a chance, and follow. That'd be terrific. And I think that's all I got for this particular video. Don't forget to subscribe below. I appreciate all the comments, the love, and the support. You guys are awesome. Until next time, Universe Jarvis out.